If you see Agent Terminated due to error in Antigravity, don't worry. This usually happens because of corrupted files, insufficient permissions, or conflicts with other programs. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, restart your device. A full reboot clears temporary system conflicts that may cause the agent to terminate unexpectedly. Next, run the software as administrator. Right-click the Antigravity executable and choose Run as administrator to give proper permissions. Now check for software updates. Open the app and install any available updates. Outdated versions often trigger unexpected agent terminations. After that, disable conflicting background apps. Turn off antivirus scanners, VPNs, or monitoring tools that could interfere with antigravity processes. Also, verify or reinstall the software. Corrupted installation files are a common cause. Uninstall Antigravity, download the latest version from the official site, and reinstall. Finally, check system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements and has sufficient RAM, CPU, and disk space. In most cases, restarting, running as administrator, and reinstalling fixes the agent terminated due to error problem.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.